My dearest brothers and sisters, today we're going to be making a very special salad, a kale salad. We're going to be celebrating vivacity in life with kale. It's a member of the brassica family. Its closest cousins are collard greens, cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kohlrabi, all members of this wonderful, wonderful family, all loaded with nutrients and with minerals. Kale is brimming with antioxidants. It promotes healing and healthy blood, healthy functioning brain, a healthy functioning brain, and healthy bones. The 3 B's: blood, brain, bones, if you will. And so let's start. Let's start with this wonderful vegetable. And here I have some dinosaur kale, and I've chopped it up. I put it in the salad bowl, and then I'm going to take some curly kale. We're going to chop it up and toss it in. And then, what about some collard greens, closest cousin to kale, loaded with nutrients, minerals, anti-inflammatory. So here we go. Collard greens. Collard greens. All right. So we have a kale collard salad, and in this, I'm first going to toss in some Living Tree medjool dates. Here we go, Living Tree medjool dates, just the thing to break out of the drear of winter, so filled with flavor and with taste. So here we have some chopped up medjool dates. I've pitted and chopped them, and we're just going to toss them in. And then we're going to toss in some Living Tree cranberries. And what about, here's an opal apple, organic of course. Let's put in some apple slices. Magnificent Washington State apple. So let's toss this in. Here we go. And now let us give the salad a toss, if you will. Okay. So here we go. And the next step is, of course, the salad dressing. So we'll start with an almond milk base. As I never tire of saying, it's too easy to make your own almond milk. You start with a cup of spring water. Mountain Valley water is one that we happen to favor. So here we go. A cup of spring water. And what about a heaping tablespoon of Living Tree Alive Organic Almond Butter, made from almonds grown by a California family, a California farming family of 5 generations on the land. So heaping tablespoon of live almond butter. And now let's give this a whirl. And there you have it, our almond milk, so much fresher, you will agree, than anything you can buy in the store that's been sitting on the shelf since the dawn of the Cenozoic. So here we go. And now what we're going to do, we're going to be adding some of our living tree cashew butter made right here in Berkeley, California, with love and devotion, I might add. So, let's give it a couple tablespoons of cashew butter. Okay. And now we have another very special product, our black sesame tahini. And all it is ground up black or organic black sesame seeds. It is a vibrant black condiment. And let's give it a heaping tablespoon or 2. And then we're going to be adding some chia seeds. Please, brothers and sisters, add chia seeds to everything you partake with, to every green drink, to every smoothie, to every casserole. They are so nutritious and so healing and vivifying. So this is our living tree, alive organic chia seeds, a food of the Native Americans, I might add. So let's give it some chia seeds. And now, let's So we have our salad dressing, and let's pour the salad dressing over. So imagine dinosaur kale, curly leaf kale, collard greens, with a salad dressing of almond milk, cashew butter, black sesame tahini, and chia seeds. Talk about vivacity. And we've got to exemplify aliveness. The times call for it. We've got to vivify ourselves and be more and more filled with life energy in these times of unprecedented challenges. Brothers and sisters, my privilege to share with you. Let us go forward. Please write your comments down below. We appreciate them so very, very much indeed. Thank you.